In the vast silence of the deep ocean, a gentle giant carries a suffocating burden. Barnacles. Microscopic hitchhikers that turn into an agonizing, heavy prison.
The weight creates intense drag, draining the massive swimmer's energy with every stroke.
And it is not the only victim in these sunlit waters. Without help, the weight will eventually drag them into the crushing dark depths. Desperate for relief, the giants navigate toward a legendary sanctuary, the Coral Reef Spa. Home to nature's most diligent cleaners. The surgery begins with the smaller patient. A satisfying liberation from months of constant pain. For the 40-ton whale, removing deeply embedded barnacles requires raw kinetic force. It turns toward the open ocean, gathering speed for an explosive maneuver. A monumental breach, the ocean's ultimate cleansing ritual. Light, agile, and free once more. But the tranquility of the coral reef is suddenly shattered.
Apex predators of the deep, looking for an easy, vulnerable meal.
Orcas hunt with terrifying precision and team coordination.
However, they forgot one critical variable in these waters. Free from the weight of the barnacles, the giant is now faster and more agile than ever.
It unleashes an acoustic wave to disorient the attackers.
Frustrated, the orcas regroup to circle the giant wall. A humpback's pectoral fin is a 1,000-pound club of pure muscle. The brutal impact echoes through the ocean depths. To ensure the threat is completely neutralized, the giant delivers a final warning. Outmatched by pure power and defensive rage, the predators surrender. The battle is over. The ocean's most helpless creatures are safe.
Humpbacks are among the only creatures known to act with pure altruism.
Saved by the very giant they helped cleanse. A majestic victory of intelligence, teamwork, and raw strength. Out of the dark abyss, a pod of apex predators strikes. Their target? A helpless baby dolphin trapped near the jagged reef.
The orcas hunt with military precision, flanking from both sides.
Just as the jaws close in, a living mountain intervenes. Light and agile, without the heavy barnacles, the giant moves like a warrior.
Enraged, the orca pack launches a furious counterattack.
A humpback's pectoral fin is a 1,000-pound club of pure muscle.
The brutal blow echoes, channeling shockwaves through the water. The remaining predators circle, searching for a single weak spot. Not on this giant's watch. It unleashes its ultimate weapon, the tail slam. The acoustic explosion disorients the orca's sensitive sonar. Realizing they are outmatched by raw power and rage, the pack surrenders. The dark threat vanishes into the deep blue. Victory. The ocean's most vulnerable creatures are saved.
Humpbacks are among the very few animals known to show pure altruism.
Bound by an ancient contract of mutual survival.
Without the small cleaners, the giant would have been too weak to fight.
Without the giant, the reef would have fallen to the apex hunters. Breaking through the surface into the golden afternoon light.
The small baby dolphin leaps high beside the giant's rainbow mist.
The sea turtle surfaces smoothly, taking its first deep breath of fresh air. In nature, no creature is an island.
Every small act of help creates ripples that change the wild forever.
As evening settles, the ocean giants prepare for their long migration.
Healthy, unburdened, and ready to lead the next generation. A testament to the brutal, beautiful perfection of life beneath the waves. Thank you for exploring the secrets of the wild with Curiolab Hub. If you believe in protecting our oceans, hit the subscribe button now. See you in the next epic documentary.